how to use a calendar from your mobile phone. So you will arrive to the homepage. When you click on our website, you go to the menu button, you click on adult courses. At the bottom of adult courses, you click on calendar. This page will only be visible once you have logged in and I have approved that you can be a user of the calendar. If you haven't been yet approved, you will be arriving to a page that asks you for your email address and to create a password. I will then be sent an email asking me to approve for you to be able to see the page. I will approve you and then you will be able to see it. So over here, you have the instructions on how to use a calendar. Over here, you add the date of the class that you're going to mark yourself as absent. You then click on add, and I will put Noel absent, submit, and the entry is there. Now, if you're trying to make up for a class and you want to attend on the 4th of April, you will then see that Noel's space is available. You will then click on add, and then I will go Maria from Thursdays takes Noel's space. And then click submit. So the entry will be then here, and you will be able to see that Noel's space has been taken by Maria. The reason that we ask you to put Thursdays is so that we can know which day of the week you attend, so we can set up your work. And the reason that we ask you to put Noel's space is that for other people that are visiting the calendar, know which spaces have been taken and which spaces are available. And that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoy using the calendar and that you find it quite easy.